Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and install Viber application. So first of all, you open the Google Play Store. Google Play Store is for the Android users. If you are using a iOS device, you need to tap open the Apple Store, App Store. So first of all, open the Google Play Store and there on the search bar you type in Viber. And then tap on search. There's the Viber application on the top search result. You tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. Viber is a easy way communicating service where you can easily access to the contact on your phone and can text, message, call people from the contact list. It will help you stay connected with the people around you. The Viber application is completely downloaded. Now you tap on open. And with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Viber for your mobile device. So this is how you can download and install Viber. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.